If you are looking for something to grow your hair rapidly, something that you use when you're braiding your hair, this Chebe pomade is a go and it's a win for your hair. So to make this Chebe powder pomade, you need a shea butter, you need mango. These are what I'm using, and I'll be using beeswax for this, and I'll also use oils as well. This oil is castor oil, 15 grams of castor oil. And then I'm going to use jojoba oil. This will bring shine to your hair, and that castor oil will grow your hair as well rapidly and gives it shine and volume. Same with olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil for 10 grams of olive oil that I'm going to use to infuse this sherbet. Now, this is the almighty sherbet. You want to get the original one. If you want sherbet, we have a sherbet on our line. Make sure you get original one. You can click the link below and get yours. And then you need a bowl. You need a clean bowl, sanitized bowl, right? And then you need a cheesecloth. I prefer using cheesecloth when I'm making a large batch. So this is peppermint extension oil. This will help your scalp remove those dandruff, and lavender will help your scalp as well to grow your hair so fast, and it has a very nice scent. And then this is what I prefer to use. I prefer to use the sieve. The sieve will help me bring out some of those powders so that it will keep infusing on the pomade, so it gives it more benefits. Now I'm going to put this on a double boiler. You want to put something underneath your pot or whatever you're going to use so that you keep it safe. So after 20 minutes to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, I brought it out from the double boiler, and I am going to sieve. Now, after sieving, you will notice that some of them have entered into the oil, which is very fine. You can as well skip this sieving. Sometimes I prefer skipping it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to sieve it. Sieving it is also good so that you don't get those particles on your hair. But if you don't mind those particles, it's fine. So I left it on the table for like 5 minutes. It's beginning to solidify, and then I add the essential oil. Next, I will just add a few drops of vitamin E oil on 2%, 0.2%. That's what I use. So I now mixed it up. After mixing, you're going to get a very good sanitized jar and pour it in. Now, if you're going to sell this, you must adhere to the cosmetic guidelines. This is for homemade use, so you need preservative and other things as well. Now, this is a very good recipe for your hair. This will grow your hair fast, and it's so good for your braids. You want to use this for your braids on your scalp and on your cornrows, your edges, and all that. If you like this video, like, share, and share to your family. I'll see you next time. Bye.